Hello. Now just we are gonna create a quiz by using a screen recorder. It is a free screen recorder, screencast-o-matic.com. So let's make just a little adjustment over here. Okay. Now let us enter quiz. There are several applications, but I prefer to use quizzes.com. Quiz. Okay. We are just gonna, what will you touch today? For example, let us pick at math, and let's say the topic about fractions. Okay. There are here questions according to the topic, like about fractions here, like showing with the shapes, reducing all of the fractions over here. You may pick from here, or use, if you want to create, for example, new quiz. Okay, let's name it fraction quiz. Okay, next, mathematics. Okay, for example, what kind of questions you are gonna ask? Multiple choice, poll, fill in the blank, open-ended, draw. For example, let's choose this. Type the question in here. Well, for example, what fraction does the following figure show? For example, you may drag over here, or drag and drop, or click here to upload. I have here one ready image about the mixed fraction. So I think over here just I believe 1 minute is enough. You can adjust the timing from here. If necessary, you can add a tag, and let's save it. It's here. Okay. If you want to add another question, for example, we are gonna add it. For example, open-ended, a kind of problem solving. Okay. Jack 8. Insert the equation over here. 2/3 of the cake. Michelle 8. Another equation, for example, 1/3 Michelle 8, 1/3 of the cake. So what portion of the cake did they eat together? Okay, then show your work. You can a kind of suggestion for the students. Show your work. and save it, and so on. Depending what kind of questions you are gonna ask, so on, you may continue. Thank you for watching.